Hello there, my name is Janet. Welcome to this lesson as we talk about articles. We have three articles, which is a, an, and the, and they come before nouns. Articles are either definite or indefinite, and the definite article is one, the, and the indefinite articles are to, a, and an. Now we look at the definite article, which is the. It is used when talking about a particular person, a particular thing, or a particular place. For example, the book on the table is mine. Now we are talking about a particular book, so we use them. The novel, Fathers of Nations, is interesting. Now we are talking about a particular novel, The Fathers of Nations. Again, it is used with singular nouns representing a whole class. Example, the rhino is an endangered species. We have a singular noun here, rhino, which is representing a whole species, and so we use them. The dog is a domestic animal. Among other domestic animals, the dog here is used to represent them, and so the here has been used with singular noun dog to represent a whole class of domestic animals. Again, it is used with abstract nouns, for example, the beauty, the examination. It is also used with musical instrument. For example, you say the guitar. It plays the piano. The kayamba is a great instrument. It is also used before superlatives. For example, Christmas is the best time of the year. The strongest or the best or the most beautiful contestant won. Before the superlative most beautiful or strongest, we have the, and before best as superlative, we use the. Also, they are used before proper nouns, notably oceans and seas. You can say the Pacific, the Red Sea. Before also rivers, the Nile River, the Yala. Before canals, for example, the Suez Canal. You can also say before deserts, like the Sahara Desert. Before group of islands, for example, the West Indies. Before mountain ranges like the Alps, the Himalayas. Before countries, in whose names are included words like republic. Republic Kingdom, for example, the Irish Republic, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and so forth and so forth. Also, there is used before names of certain books or certain writings, for example, the Iliad, the Vedas. There is also used before names of things unique of their kind, like the sun, the sky, the sea, the earth, and many more. It is also used before a proper noun when it is qualified by an adjective or a defining adjective or clause. For example, the late Kenyatta, the great Caesar. You can also use the with ordinals. For example, he was the third contestant to leave the show. There is also used before an adjective when the noun is understood or obvious. For example, the rich also cry. Now, in this case, we understand that the rich, we are talking about the rich people. The poor have a right to enjoy. In this case, we are talking about the poor people. It is also used before a noun with emphasis to give the force of a superlative. For example, Henry is the player to mark, or the verb is the word in a sentence. Also, we can use the as an adverb with a comparative form. For example, the more one gets, the more one wants. The more the better. In this case, with an adverb and a comparative, comparing one to the other, but with an adverb. Now we are going to look at the following questions on articles. Choose the correct word to complete each of these sentences. Dash University of Nairobi is planning to start a new course of study. We have and they, we are supposed to use one. So our answer will be the University of Nairobi is planning to start a new course of study. And 2, I saw Dash pack of wolves in the park. Use either a or the. I saw a pack of wolves in the park. Dash University is admitting new students. The university is admitting new students. Dash year is longer than a month. A year is longer than a month. Dash book on the table is mine. The book on the table is mine. In this case, we are talking about a particular thing, the book on the table. The dash is a domestic animal. The dog is a domestic animal. We are talking about using the with singular noun to represent a whole class in this example or in this question. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I hope this helps you to improve on your English. Kindly remember to like, please share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.